The heat is not only scorching and the mercury way up, but the humidity is also high and leaving everyone wet in sweat even under the shade. As a result, a House Solon seeks a weather monitoring and weather alert system to keep everyone up to speed on heat levels. PTV correspondent Mela Lesmoras fills us in with more.
Lorena and Ian have always been greeted by scorching heat every time they step out of house these days. Because of this, they believe classes should be held online for now, as there is no clear system yet about extreme heat, which they hope will be resolved soon.
Kasi sobrang init po ng panahon, kailangan po mag-declare kung higit po sa 40 degrees ang temperatura, automatically na po walang pasok.
Kagaya po sa amin kasi naglalakad pa po kami, sobrang init po. Kaya kailangan nakaprepare po talaga na, halimbawa may pasok, po, nakagayak na kami ng maaga po.
At the House of Representatives, a new mechanism is being pushed by Valenzuela City 2nd District Representative Eric Martinez to grant the wish of some of our countrymen like Lorena and Ian. If there are the regular and constant release of public storm warning signals for typhoons, then, he said, there should also be extreme heat alerts and updated heat index reports too. Martinez said a comprehensive government protocol specifically tailored for the dry season should be created and spearheaded by Pag-asa as the primary authority in weather-related decision-making processes.
Halimbawa kung ako lang yan, heat index number 1. Everyone is advised to stay indoors within 11 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Halimbawa lang yan, ha? Heat index number 2. Sobrang init, no outside activities for everyone. Heat index number 3. Sobra ng init. Pag-asa recommends that the cancellation of all classes and offices and so on and so forth because of this. At saka yung kada lugar, alam nila yan, mas maganda kung science-based.
The lawmaker believes the current heat being felt in the country can be considered life-threatening, so a more intensified response is needed to safeguard the people's well-being. But for Pag-asa, what can they say about this?
Ang worry po namin with that is very limited po, may limitations ang ating data. For example, sa Pag-asa, not all the municipalities or even not all the provinces is covered by, or at least we'd have at least one Pag-asa station. So ang worry namin is, of course, yung accurate information for a particular location couldn't be provided by Pag-asa in that case. So, kailangan po pa rin po, of course, ng assistance ng Pag-asa.
Martinez assured when the budget season comes, he will personally push to allocate a higher budget for Pag-asa. As for our fellow countrymen, what can they say about this proposal?
Pabor naman ako doon. Kawawa na yung estudyante. Binibigyan ng homework na lang sila sa kawawa talaga sa init. Kami nga kagang napapalabang kami kasi sa labas lang kami magtrabaho Hindi sa loob buti pa yung mga anti-aircon
Ako ma'am, sa ganun, pabor talaga ako sa ganun nga, kasi kita mo naman ang panahon ngayon, Grabe kainit talaga, sobra.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.